2 times 25 gives us 50. So we have 50 divided by 50 minus 1. 50 divided by 50 is just 1. So 1 minus 1, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 50 divided by 2 gives us 25. So we have 25 times 25 minus 1. Now we have to do this multiplication. 25 times 25 gives us 625. Then minus 1, which equals 624. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 624.